Hello children, a very good morning to all. Hope you are all fine and safe at home, right? Yes, alright children. Shall we move on to today's class? Yes. So last class what we have seen? So we have seen 6 table. Have you all know the tricks of doing the 6 table? Yes children, fine. Now today we are going to see 7 table. Okay, and last class what we have seen? Addition, right? You all practiced addition? Yes, very simple, right? Yes. So now we are going to see subtraction. Okay children? Fine. So I'll tell you the different ways of subtraction. Okay. Before that we can start with 7 table. Yes children? Shall we start now? Fine. So I am going to tell you the tricks for 7 table. Last class I have said tricks for 6 table, right? Now I am going to say the tricks for 7 tables, children. Very simple. Okay, 7 table is very simple. See. So I am going to start from the last column. Okay. See, I am going to start from 1. Okay. You know the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Everybody know the numbers from 1 to 10, right? Yes, it's very simple. So just I am going to write the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. From the upwards. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next. 7, 8, 9. Okay. After 9 what number should come? 10. Okay. Instead of 10 I have written here 0. Okay. Instead of 10 what I have written here? 0. Okay. So just I have written the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Instead of 10 only I have written here 0. Okay. Just 0 to 9 we have written. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. Now we have completed the ones place digit. Now we move on to complete the tens digit place. Okay. See here. First I am going to start the number with 0. Okay. Number always starts from 0. So here also I am going to start the number from 0. See here. 0. So from this side. Okay. I have started ones place from this side, but tens place I am going to start from this side. Okay. See here 0, 1, 2. Okay. Just writing the numbers. Okay. 0, 1, 2. Okay. The same number. What number you have completed here? The same number should be written here. Again start from 2. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay. What number you have started here? 4. The same number should be start from here. 4, 5, 6. Okay. After 6 what number? 7. Okay. We are writing in the same row itself. So after 6 we have written 7. Okay. So this can be a 7 table. See. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 56. 9 7s are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Okay. Shall we write this one in tables? Yes. So we have to start from here. 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Okay. Just we have filled the 7 table using 2 columns and 2 rows. Okay. You know where I have started and where I have completed, right? Yes children. Shall we read once again 7 table? See, using this one. 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Okay children. So we have completed the 7 tables. So I hope it will be very easy for you, right? Alright children. Shall we move on to the topic? Yes. So today we are going to see subtraction. Okay, what we are going to see today? Subtraction. What is meant by subtraction, children? See, the process of finding the difference between two numbers. Okay, we have to find the difference between two numbers. That is the subtraction. So what are the words generally you use for subtraction? See here, difference. Okay, this will help you to find whether it is subtraction or addition or multiplication in story problem, word problem. Understood? This is the keywords. Okay, this is the keywords that you can find very easily what you are going to do with the numbers. Understand? Yes. See here, first one difference, next one take away, next leftover, next minus. Okay, these are all keywords that you can find easily whether it is subtraction or not. Understand? Yes, children. Shall we move on to the problems now? Yes. See here, here I have written 4-digit number. Okay, according to the place value I have placed the numbers. See the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, so here I have written the numbers 8357 minus 6012. Okay, so we are going to subtract 6012 from 8357. Okay, shall we start from ones place? Okay, children. See here, 7 minus 2. So in subtraction, what you have to check? You have to check on the top number should be greater than the bottom number. Okay, this number should be greater than this number. Okay, in subtraction you have to check that one. That is the first step you have to check. Understand? Yes. So see here, 7 minus 2. First step, what you have to do? Check the number. See, 7 is greater than 2. Understood? So we can subtract directly. No need to get borrowed. We can subtract this one directly, children. See here, 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? So 7 minus 2 is very good, 5. Next, move on to tens place. See here, 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? See, and the top number is bigger than the bottom number. 5 is greater than 1. So here also we can subtract directly. Okay. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, move on to hundreds place. See here, 3 minus 0. See the top number 3. Here 0. So 3 is greater than 0. Okay, here also we need to get borrowed, directly subtract. 3 minus 0. So 3 minus 0. We are not going to take anything. So the same number should be repeat. Okay, the same number will be the answer here. Next, move on to thousands place. 8 minus 6. Okay, so here 8 is greater than 6. So what is 8 minus 6? So 8 minus 6 is 2. Very good, children. So here we have subtracted directly because the top number is greater than the bottom number. So we have subtracted directly without borrowing. Understand? So what is the answer here? 8357 minus 6012 is equal to 2345. Okay, fine, children. Shall we move on to the second problem now? Yes, see here, second problem. Here also I have placed 4-digit numbers. Okay, according to the place value. Okay, children, fine. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. Okay, here I have arranged the numbers 4078 minus 1239. Okay, shall we start to subtract from ones place, children? Yes, fine. See here, 8 minus 9. So what is the first step you have to do in subtraction? You have to check the numbers whether it is greater or less than. See, 8 minus 9. 8 is smaller than 9. Okay, it should not be like this. We cannot able to subtract. It is not possible, children. So what you have to do? This is small number when compared to 9, isn't it? Yes. So what you have to do? You have to get one borrow from the tens place. Okay, here 7. Okay, here the number is 7. So you have to give one borrow here. So 1 borrow means what is the remaining number? Yes, 6. This 7 becomes 6. Okay, and this 8 becomes 18. Okay, 1 tens you have given here. Okay, so it becomes 18. Okay, now 18 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract? Yes, 18 is bigger number when compared to 9. So we can subtract. Okay, 18 in the mind, take 9 finger. Okay, so before 18. In addition you will say after, but in subtraction you have to use before number. Before 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, next move on to tens place. See here, 6 minus 3. Okay, so here 6 is greater number when compared to 3. So 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. What is the remaining number? Yes, 3. Okay children, fine. Now we move on to hundreds place. See here in hundreds place we have 0 minus 2. Okay, see the top number, it is 0. 0 is the smallest number. Okay, 0 is the starting number. So 0 is the smallest number when compared to 2. What you have to do? You have to again get borrow from the thousands place. Okay, here in thousands place we have 4. Okay, we have to give 1 to hundreds place. So it becomes 3. Okay, so here it becomes 10. Okay, you are giving 1 tens to hundreds place. Okay, fine children. See here, 10 minus 2. Now is it possible to subtract directly? Yes, because 10 is a greater number when compared to. So 10 in the mind, take 2 finger. Before 10, 9, 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, next move on to thousands place. 3 here, 3 minus 1. Okay, so 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 3 is a greater number when compared to 1. Okay, so 3 minus 1. What is it? 2. Very good. Okay children, so here what we have did? 4078 minus 1239 is equal to 2839. Okay children, so today you have seen 2 different types of subtraction. One is subtraction with borrowing and subtraction without borrowing. Okay children, see here we have subtracted, without regrouping, grouping and regrouping. Okay, here we did not get anything borrowed, just what we have here directly we have subtracted. Okay, so what you have, what is this? This is subtraction without borrowing. We did not borrow anything. So this is subtraction without borrowing, and here we have borrowed some numbers. This is subtraction with borrowing. Okay, grouping as well as you can say grouping and regrouping. This is subtraction without regrouping, and this is subtraction with regrouping. We have regrouped some numbers. Okay, this is 2 types of subtraction. Okay, fine children. Next we can move to mental maths. This is also called Vedic maths. Okay, Vedic maths is subtraction directly. What you have learned in the addition. Okay, directly you have added the numbers. Okay, mental maths. Like that you have in subtraction also. Okay, so directly we are going to do the subtraction here. Okay, without putting the columns and rows. Understand? See the first problem children here, 83 minus 72. Okay, here I have taken 2-digit number. Okay, so how can you directly subtract this one? See, 83 can be split into 83. Okay, 80 plus 3 is 83. Okay, what you have done in the addition the same. Okay, next one, 72 can be written as 70 plus 2. Okay, so what symbol is here? Subtraction symbol. So instead of adding, you have to subtract these 2 first. 80 minus 70, yes, very good, 10. 3 minus 2, yes, 1. Now you can add these 2 numbers. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so 83 minus 72 is 11. This is the answer, children. Okay, so within 1 second you can find the answer. Okay, next shall we move on to second problem? See here, 75 minus 58. Okay, so 75 can be written as 70 plus 5 and 58 can be written as 50 plus 8. Okay, so you have to subtract this two. 70 minus 50. What is 70 minus 50? Very good, 20. Next, 5 minus 8. What is 5 minus 8? Yes, so minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 is minus 3 because the greater number symbol only you have to use at the end of the answer. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So here you have minus symbol. So instead of plus you have to subtract this 3. 20 minus 3. What is 20 minus 3 is 17. Okay children, here we have plus symbol. Both we have plus symbol, so we have added. But here we have subtraction symbol. So you have to subtract this number. Okay, check the sign and do accordingly. Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the story problem, children? Yes. See here, word problem. See the question first. Mohit has rupees 7,463 in his bank account. Okay, he withdraws rupees 4,571 for buying a guitar. See how much money is left in his account. Can you understand the question? I'll read you again and explain you. See here, Mohit is a boy. He has rupees 7,463 in his bank account. You all know bank account. Okay, your parents have bank account, right? So in that some money will be there. Yes, so like this Mohit also has 7,463 in his bank account and he wants to buy a guitar. So how much amount he is going to take? Rupees 4,571 rupees. Okay, from 7,463 he took 4,571 rupees. Okay, for buying a guitar. Okay, you know what is guitar, right? Yes. So what we have to find here, how much money is left in his account. Now find out the keyword here, children. Here I have written the keywords. Okay, just find out the keyword here. See here, left. Okay, left and or leftover both are same. So here left is the keyword. So what you have to do? You have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so before that you have to write the statement. Statement is very simple, children. You already learnt in the addition. Okay, statement is very simple. Same here also I am going to write from the question only. Okay, I am not going to create anything. Just from the question I am going to take the statement. Yes, shall we start now? See here, what is the first statement? Mohit has rupees 7,463 in his bank account. Okay, just I am writing money in his bank account. Okay, this is money, right? So money in his bank account. Bank account and all spelling is in the question itself, right? Yes. So money in his bank account. How much money? Rupees 7,463. Okay, fine children. Next statement. This is the first statement over. Okay, very simple, right? Yes. Next one. Money withdrawn by him. Okay, withdraw spelling is here. So you have to write money withdrawn. Withdrawn by him. Okay, so how much money he withdraws? Rupees 4,500. And so this number you should arrange from the ones place, children. See, 1 should be in ones place and 7 should be in tens place and 5 should be in hundreds place and 4 should be in thousands place. If you want, you can write the place value also. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Now, what is the final one? How much money is left in his account? Okay. So, money left in his account. Money left in his account or bank account. Okay, you can write simply account or bank account, anything you wish. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, children. See, statement is very simple, right? Money in his bank account. How much money in his bank account totally? Okay, so rupees 7,463. Next, money withdrawn. Withdrawn means you have to take from the account. Okay, you are going to take from your account. That is rupees 4,571. Okay, so both I have written here. Next, what is the final statement? Money left in his account. Okay, money is left in his account. The same statement I have written here. Okay, so money left in his account. I have took here is everything I have written same. What they have given in the question. Okay, shall we subtract now? Yes. See here, see in ones place. 3 minus 1. Check the number. 3 is greater than 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Very good. Next, move on to tens place. Here we have 6 minus 7. 6 is small number when compared to 7. So what you have to do? You have to get one borrow. Okay. This 4 becomes 3. Okay. And this 6 becomes 16. Okay. Now is it possible to subtract directly? Yes. 16 is greater than 7. So 16 in the mind, take 7 finger. Before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, 16 minus 7 is 9. Next, move on to hundreds place. Here we have 3 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract directly? No. 3 is a small number when compared to 5. What you have to do? You have to get one borrow from the thousands place. Here we have 7. So this 7 becomes 6. And this 3 becomes 13. Okay. Now 13 in the mind. Take 5 finger. Before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay. 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay. Fine, children. Now move on to thousands place. 6 minus 4. What is 6 minus 4? Yes. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. So here rupees. So how much amount here? So amount left in his account is rupees 2,892. So what is the final statement? Thus money left in this account is rupees. How much amount left, children? 2,892. Isn't it? Yes, children. So story sum, don't feel very difficult for story sum. Okay, it will be very easy. Statement, don't feel difficult to write the statement. Statement you are going to create from the question, not anything extra, right? Okay, children. So by following this class, you have an activity based on subtraction. Okay, so watch the activity also, children. Okay, children. Now we move on to subtraction activity. Okay, see what is here. Subtraction with borrowing. Okay, today we are going to see an activity based on subtraction with borrowing. Okay, shall we move now? So here I have written the numbers. Okay, and here I have arranged the circles. Okay, the colorful circles. Okay, fine, children. See, this pink color belongs to ones. Okay, and the blue color belongs to tens. And green color belongs to hundreds, and the last one yellow color belongs to thousands. Okay, children, fine. Now what we are going to subtract? See here, 2,987. We are going to subtract 2,987 from 7,345. Okay, so we have to start from ones place. Okay, in ones column we have to start. Okay, so what number is on the top? 5, and then the bottom 7. Now tell me children, is it possible to subtract the bigger number from the lower number? No, it is not possible, right? So we cannot subtract 7 from 5. Okay, when compared to 5, 7 is a bigger number. So it is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to get borrow. See in ones column, see how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here 5. So I have arranged 5 circles. Okay, so we cannot subtract 7 from 5. So what you have to do? You have to get 1/10 borrow. Okay, so this tens should come to ones place. Okay, you have to get borrow 1/10. Okay, so 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. Okay, you already know 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. So instead of this 10, I am going to keep 10 ones. Okay, see here I have 5 ones and 4 and 1. Okay, so instead of 1/10, I am keeping here 10 ones. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay children, have you understood? Now count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this 5 becomes 15. Okay, and this 4 becomes, how many tens are there? Only 3, right? Yes children. Now we can subtract. Okay, so we have to subtract 7 from 15. Now I am going to take 7 circles from 15. Okay, see here totally I have 15 circles. So I am going to take 7 out. Okay, see here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have take out 7. Okay, from 15. Shall we count the remaining circles? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay children, yes. Now move on to tens place. Okay, see here we have number 3. Okay, so here also we have number 3. Okay, so we have to subtract 8 from 3. Is it possible to subtract 8 from 3? No. Okay, so 3 is a small number when compared to 8. So what we have to do? We have to get borrow from hundreds place. So I am going to get one borrow from hundreds place. Okay, see now 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay, 100 is equal to 10 tens. So instead of this 100, I am going to keep 10 tens. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have kept here 10 tens. Instead of this 100, I have kept here 10 tens. Okay, now this become 13. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this becomes 13. Okay, and the hundreds place we have 2. So this become 2. Okay children, now from this 13 I am going to take out 8. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is the remaining number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here the remaining number is 5. So 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, fine children. Shall we move on to hundreds place? Yes. So hundreds place we have 2. Okay, we need to subtract 9 from 2. Is it possible? No. Again we have to get borrow from thousands place. Okay, so I am going to get one borrow from here. Okay, so children, 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Okay, 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So instead of this 1000, I am going to keep 10 hundreds. Okay, see here, here 5 and here 5. Okay, so I kept here 10 hundreds. Okay, 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So this become 12, right? So this become 12 and the thousands place it become 6. Okay, now I am going to take out 9 from 12. Okay, I am going to take out 9 from 12. Okay, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I am going to take out 9. So I am keeping here 1. Okay, so I have taken out 9. So how much is remaining here? Very good. Okay, so 3. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay, fine children. Next one, move on to thousands place. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6,000. So 6 minus 2. Okay, so we can easily take out 2 from 6, right? Yes, I am going to take 2. 1, 2. How much is remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, children. See here, 7,345 minus 2,987 is equal to 4,358. Okay, have you understood children? Yes, fine. Now we move on to second problem children. See here, 9,056 minus 3,472. So we are going to subtract 3,472 from 9,056. Okay, see here, in ones place I have arranged 6. Okay, we have to start from ones place. Okay, see what number is here? 6. So here in ones place I have arranged 6 circles, right? Yes. So we have to subtract 2 from 6. Okay, so we can directly subtract children because 2 is a small number when compared to 6. So 6 is a bigger number. Okay, top number is bigger than the lower number. So I am going to take 2 out in this. Okay, out of 6 I am going to take 2 out. How much is remaining now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, next move on to tens place. So how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 minus 7. Okay, we are going to subtract 7 from 5. Is it possible to subtract directly? No children, because 5 is a small number when compared to 7. So what you have to do? You have to get borrow from the next place in hundreds place. Okay, but in hundreds place already it is empty, 0. Okay, we cannot get anything from 100. Okay, because it is 0. So what you have to do? Again you have to move on to thousands place. Okay, and get 1000. Okay, so you have to get 1000 here. Okay children, so how much is remaining in thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 9 become 8. Okay, and we got 1000s in hundreds place. So this become 10. Okay, so this become 10. 1000 is equal to 100. So instead of this 1000, I am going to keep 100. See, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have kept here 10. Okay, so again you have to give one borrow to tens place. Okay, so you have to give one borrow to tens place. Okay, so 100 is equal to 10 tens. So instead of this 100, I am going to keep 10 tens. See, 5, 10. Okay, very good. So this become 9. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, this become 15. Here we have totally 15, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 15 minus 7. I am going to take out 7. See, 5, 6, 7. Okay, count the remaining things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, next, how much here? 9. 9 minus 4. So out of 9, I am going to take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Next, here we have 8. So 8 minus 3. Out of 8, I am going to take out 3. 1, 2, 3. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, children, have you understood how to borrow from the next number? Yes, children, you also keep remember 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Okay, 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Okay, this you just keep it and remember. Okay, this point is very important. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Okay, 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay, 10 tens. Next, 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Okay, children, this point you have to keep it in mind. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Okay, fine, children. Now you have an assignment based on subtraction. Okay, so you have to complete the assignment and send through the WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Yes, fine. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.